A popular workflow is to create PDF from a scanned document, either for electronic archive or to modify a document when you only have the hard copy. Let's look at how users can create OCR and edit scanned documents using Foxit PhantomPDF Mac. The first step is to create a PDF document. The easiest way to accomplish this is to use the Scanner button under the Convert tab. We can choose the scanner, whether or not you want to create a new document or append the scan to an existing document, or whether you want to OCR the file. We will leave the OCR option unchecked for now. Then we will click on the Scan button, and the scanner will scan the document and it will be converted into a PDF. If our goal is to create an online copy or archive, we are now done. However, when a document gets scanned into a PDF, it becomes an image, meaning you cannot select the text, search for the text either within the document or from a system search engine, or you cannot edit or modify the text. If this is a requirement for you, there are additional steps needed to be done. The first step is to OCR the document. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. It is a software technology that enables you to convert scanned documents or images into documents with selectable, searchable, and editable text. Pro tip: you only need to OCR PDF from scanned images. If someone sends you a file and you're not sure if it's a scanned image or if it has already been OCR'd, try to select some text. To do this, first go to the Select button and choose Select Text. Then try to select some text. If you can't select the text, you need to OCR. If you can select the text, then no OCR is required. To OCR the document, click over OCR Current File under the Convert tab. The next thing we want to do is to make sure that the OCR engine correctly identified the language, which we can see it correctly chose English. Then we'll make sure the Editable Text button is also chosen. After that, we hit OK. After the OCR is completed, I can perform additional functions on the document. I can click on the Select Text and Image button, and then I can copy text from this document and put it in another document using Control-C and Control-V or other Windows copy and paste options. Here I copy and paste content into a Word document. It can also be searchable both from within the document and from system search and index solutions. Lastly, now we can edit the text of the document, and this is extremely valuable when we have to update documents when you only have the hard copy. To edit the document, we click on the Edit tab and then the Edit Text button. Then click on the text we want to modify. As you can see, the PhantomPDF paragraph editing capabilities automatically refill the text, making editing documents quick and easy. Start making a scanned document into editable and searchable PDFs today.